What's up, everyone? This is Josh with Priceless Consulting, and today we're going to talk about the Spark drone, this little bad boy right here, and why if you don't already have one, you need to get it. So the Spark drone is one of the smaller drones made by DJI, and it's amazing. The usability of it, the footage that comes out of it, it's a really high quality for such a low price. When you talk about drones, the Spark drone is actually one of the cheaper models that you can buy for the quality that it puts out. So the DJI Spark can be purchased from their website or from Best Buy, or there's a bunch of different places that actually sell it. But I'll actually put a link in the description below, so make sure to click that and check it out. So overall, the Spark drone, today was my first day actually out flying this drone. And to be honest with you, this was my first time ever flying any drone ever. So I kind of wanted to step my game up, because I do offer, in case you didn't know, video production for my clients. But I'd never done drone footage before, so I wanted to give it a try, and I was more than impressed today. So I was able to take this thing up to one of our local parks here. I had to drive a little bit because I had to get out of our no-fly zone since I live near a military base. But essentially, I was able to put it together, update the firmware, calibrate everything that I needed to calibrate, and get it up in the sky flying within probably 5 or 10 minutes. And the ease of use, being that I've never flown a drone before, was super simple. It's kind of self-intuitive, and it doesn't really take much to learn how to do it. So I hovered around a little bit lower to the ground at first to make sure that I knew what I was doing before I tried to take it higher. But I was able to get it quite high and get some pretty awesome shots, which I'll show you guys right now. So as you can see, the footage that I was able to get from this drone for only $649. Now mind you, I got one of the upgraded kits. So I got the Spark drone, this cool little remote that your phone actually clicks into the bottom of. Then it comes with 2 batteries and a charger that will actually charge the batteries simultaneously instead of one and then the other one, which is nice. And those batteries get about 17, 18 minutes of flight time on them. But like I said, I was able to get this drone in the air shooting quality footage that I could then use for clients and stuff like that, all within a matter of minutes. And it was super exciting because, like I said, I've never flown a drone before. If you're looking, or if you're in the market to buy a drone, or you're just looking for one for fun, I highly recommend the DJI Spark. Again, there's a link in the description. You can buy it for $649 for the full kit, or I want to say just the drone is more like $399. But it's absolutely amazing, and I couldn't recommend it enough.